Hey everybody, welcome back to the Photog Experience. And on today's episode, I have a great one for you. This is another walkthrough review video, but of something very special. The brand new Terra Luna Resort at Universal Studios Orlando. I don't know if you can see it, but Epic Universe is literally just right there. There's the Helios Grand. But in today's video, we are here at Terra Luna, and I'm going to go in there and show you around the resort, show you what this place has to offer, in case you all want to come check this place out too. A really cool aspect of Terra Luna, Stella Nova is literally right there, is the entrance. Entrance is super cool because it's one of those like moving spinny doors. Let me show you. But it's one of these spinny door things. Whoop. When you first walk into the Terra Luna lobby, it can be overwhelming. There's a lot of stuff here. So as soon as you walk in, you have Universal Planning Center. So if you have tickets on will call, or if you have any ticket questions or anything like that, they can help you. Also, if you are here a little early, they have luggage. You can drop your luggage off and then kind of go do what you want to do. Right here is the check-in desk, and then they have a somewhat big Universal store, but we'll do that. We'll show you that in a second. This is the main reason why we are here. We're here to check out Epic Universe. Like I said, we're going tomorrow before the park actually opens, but you'll come in here and this is where you check in if you haven't done your full check-in yet. And then here's the lobby. Also, right in the lobby, like I told you, there is a Universal store. So it has all of your Epic Universe merch that you would need. It has a really cool Mario section, so if you're into Princess Peach or Luigi, Mario, Toadstool, like they have it all. I mean, Yoshi, Mr. DK himself. They have towels, plushies, all sorts of stuff. Then over here is the Dark Universe. Of course, you got to have your Universal monsters. And of course, with Isle of Berg, you have to have Toothless. Your Harry Potter merch. Now that is beautiful. All the Fantastic Beasts. That's nice. How much is that? $75. Oh, look at the little Niffler. Ministry of Magic. Oh, and here are the new wands. That's cool. I didn't know they had them here. This one. Like, if/when I get a new wand, this is definitely the one I'm going to be getting. Put that back. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, and they have robes for you to purchase, lanyards, all sorts of things. Back to the lobby, they have some really cool seating area. And again, this is the check-in, this is the walk-in, and the Universal store is right over there. If you come over this way, this is to the Omega Cafe and Market. This is where you get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you have like a grab-and-go market kind of thing over here, and then cafe-style food over here. So pretty much you just come in through here. This is also where you can get your coffee, and just kind of like a Starbucks or any kind of grab-and-go. You just grab whatever you want along this line, and then pay over on this side. And here's the hours. The Omega Market opens at 6 a.m. and then closes at 11 p.m. Perfect for park hours. Also, if you're looking, yes, Terra Luna does have personalized cups. Personalized souvenir cups. And then this is where you enter for the cafe. I love the ceilings. I love how they kind of ebb and flow and look really cool. I love that. We're back to the main foyer area. This is the check-in, and right behind check-in is the Luna Bar. So, not sure of the hours. I don't see any hours, but come here, get you a drink, enjoy the night, and just have a good old time. And there are plenty of seating for anybody that wants to come sit here and enjoy a drink at the Luna Bar. Before I go outside, right over there is the way to outside, I was told that there's something special this way. So you go to the elevators and keep going past the elevators. Follow the signs. Game room, fitness, and activities room. Let's go check those out. A few short steps away is the game room, and the hours are 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Let's look, see if you actually need a card. Nope, it is open. Do not need a key card. And here is the arcade. Oh, right in the front, this is how you get your game cards to play all the games. And it is very small. You have a Jurassic Park game, a basketball game, a Mario Kart game, SpongeBob game, some crane machines, a little car for the kiddos, and air hockey. But in the crane machines, you have Mario branded items, some cute puppies and costumes, Smurfs. Of course, you have to have the reversible angry squids, and Pokemon. I love me some Pokemon. Ooh, look at that Riolu. So let's look at the pricing. Let's go to new card. Buy one card. $120 for 480 credits. All the way down to $15 and you get 60 credits. Those are all the different denominations. And just say right here, the Pokemon crane machine is 8 credits. The little wheel, which actually has Pokemon cards in it, which is pretty cool. That's also 8 credits. Okay, let's see if we can find this fitness center. So literally the game room is right there. The fitness center is right here. The hours are 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now let's see if we need a key to go into here. Nope, it is wide open. So you have free weights with a bench, and then your typical incline machine or squat machine right here, and then men's, women's bathrooms. And then you also have regular water fountain with the bottle filler. You have a pull down machine. And then all of the different machines that you can use with the beautiful view of the pool as you work out. And then you have all of these accessories as well. I just went down a little bit, but pretty much this is what all the hallways look like. We are on floor 6, and this is very similar. If you've ever been to Universal, this gives me Men in Black vibes, 100%. So we found the fitness center, we found the game room. Now, I'm going to take you outside to see the pool. So it is definitely bright and sunny out here, but man, it is gorgeous. I love the ebb and flow of all of the different textures of everything. I love the way the light glistens off the building. There is plenty of seating, so literally right outside of the door you have all of these different seatings and more seating over there. But our main focus is now the pool. And of course, every pool has to have pool rules displayed so you know what to expect while you're here. And the pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And you can find the hours right here as well. Alright, let's see if this just opens. Nope, gotta use your room key for this. Nice. So let's use our room key. And now it opens. So as soon as you get into the pool area, you come to the right and you can see that they have life jackets for everyone that would need them. And they are available for everyone to use free of charge. They're right here. So if you or your children are struggling with swimming, here you go. And then also another really cool thing is they have towel bins out here for you. So you don't have to bring your towels from your room. You literally come outside, grab one, take it to where you're at. When you're done, put it in, the towel will return. And here's some more safety needs and attention, just in case you need a little help. So it is very bright and it's on my face, but I wanted to show you Terra Luna kind of in the background, just to show you how beautiful this place is. But they have the Moonrise bar here, right outside of the pool for your adult beverages needs. So if you need something to drink, you need something to cool down, this is the place where you can go. And they have Coke freestyle machines for your cups. They have restrooms that you would need. It's gorgeous here. And yes, I'm soaking up the shade right now because it's a little toasty. So the look from the Moonrise bar, you have a gigantic hot tub and a gigantic pool, resort style pool for all your needs. And there's literally seating everywhere that you can look. Perfect for a crowded day. When you're out here, you have a lot of different games. You have Jenga, and what's really cool about this specific Jenga is I've played this on cruise ships before, is they give you a die and you roll the die and see where this landed on blue. You have to take a blue piece out and go from there. Super fun. And these pieces are plastic, so if they fall, they won't hurt anybody. You also got a ping pong table, which I would imagine you can get these, the paddles and everything at the bar. And there's cornhole with the bags already there. Connect 4, which is always a super fun game. All right, let's see if I can throw a good bag. Let's see. Almost. And over on this side, again, there are some more life jackets. All the different ones that you would need. And you can see there's some for adults and some pool noodles. Another awesome thing that they have here is if you are in a wheelchair or need assistance or anything like that, they have plenty of these machines to get you in. They have one over here to get you into the pool and one over there to get you into the hot tub. And when I say they have plenty of seating, I really mean they have plenty of seating. If hula hooping is your jam, then this is for you. All different colors and whatnot for your hula hooping needs. So a thing I've never seen before are actually these little like machines, and it's to call if something's going on, if you need help. So literally there's a button if you need to push for help, or if there's a button for you to call. And if you're having an emergency, you do this and someone will come and help you out. That's amazing. So again, like I said, plenty and plenty of seating. Another really cool thing about this is they have an actual sanded area. So if you like the sand feel and you want to feel the sand between your toes, this is for you, because you have beautiful, it even says sand written in the sand with hearts. Pretty awesome. And again, on this side, they also have the ping pong table, which they actually have the rackets and stuff over there. And they have cornhole, they have the Connect 4, and they have the Jenga. So if you are worried, if you are staying here at any point, and you are worried that you're going to find, you're going to have a seat, don't be worried. There's plenty of seating for everybody here at the Terra Luna Resort. So that's all for the Terra Luna Resort. And if this is something that you are potentially looking into, or you wanting to stay at, you want to go to Epic Universe once it opens, or anything like that, this place is beautiful. One thing I did notice when I was booking, because I knew I wanted to stay at either Terra Luna or Stella Nova, Terra Luna is actually a little cheaper. Probably because here at this resort you don't really see a lot of Epic Universe. I think there are certain rooms, especially on that side, the non-pool view rooms. We have a pool view room. If you are staying here, you just don't get great views of Epic Universe, and that could be one of the reasons why this is cheaper. But the amenities are still exactly the same. You have a place to eat, you have a Universal store, you have a will call area, you have all of that, and you get to enter the parks 1 hour early, which is amazing. You get to go into Super Nintendo World and get to ride Stardust Racers an hour early before the park actually opens. So that's one of the huge perks of staying here at Stella Nova. So if you all have any questions, or you plan on staying here at Terra Luna, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you out. Let's do this.